Welcome, dear students. Hope everyone is fine. Today, the topic under discussion is quadratic equation. The exercise 1.1 and question number 2 is about completing the square method, solving these general format of quadratic equation. It is really in ideal condition. First of all, the steps in derivation I have told you. First of all, see the coefficient of x square. There is nothing, otherwise we would have divided the equation by that. Now the second step is to take the constant to the other side of the equation, so that is what we will be doing first of all. So taking it there, it will become minus 11. Now we will see the coefficient of x is 10, so its half is 10 by 2, which is 5. So we have to take 5 square, add to both sides of the equation, both sides of this equation. Now this is what we will be doing, minus 10x. Now we are adding 5 square to both sides of this equation. Here also 5 square. It is complete square of look, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a minus b, a here is x, minus b is 5 whole square, and this is minus 11, and 5 square is 25. So that is 25. 25 minus 11, how much? That is 14. Okay, so now we can see that we will take square root on both sides to get rid of this square. So taking square root on both sides, square root means power 1 by 2, and on this constant, when we take a reciprocal or the square root on it, we mention plus or minus. It can be any of these values. So get rid of these two. We got x minus 5 equal to plus minus 14 square root minus 5 to the other side will become plus 5 plus minus 14 square root. That is the answer to this question. This is the roots of this equation by completing the square method. So we have question number 2. Okay, with 6x square minus 17x plus 12. The first thing, as I told you, get rid of the coefficient of x by dividing the whole equation by 6. Every term we will divide it by 6, get rid of this 6. We got x square minus 17 by 6x, and 6 ones are 6 twos are 12, plus 12 to the other side will become minus 12. Okay, minus 2. So here we can see the coefficient of x is 17 by 6. Coefficient of x is 17 by 6. Its half will be 17 by 6 divide 2 to make it half. So the denominator will multiply, or in other word we can say 17 by 6 multiply 1 by 2. So it becomes 17 by 6 twos are 12. So 17 by 12 square must be added to both sides of this equation. To both sides of this equation. Now we got this equation a complete square by adding 17 by 12 whole square on either side. So this is a square of 17 by 12 whole square. On this side it is 17 to multiply with 17, 29 by 144 minus 2. We will take LCM of this. So this become 144, 289 minus 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 2 2s are. So we will get rid 289 minus 288 will become 1 by 105. 44 and it is in square form. Let's write the other side also in square form. 12 twelves are 144 and 1 ones are 1. Okay, so the next one we will take square root on both sides. Now taking square root on both sides, x minus 17 by 12, its power will be 1 by 2 and here also power will be 1 by 2, but plus minus here. Don't forget to write plus minus for the constant value. So x minus 17 by 12 equal to plus minus 1 by 12. This will come to the other side. From minus it will become plus. So 1 by 12. What is the LCM? LCM is common denominator is 12, 17 plus minus 1. So 17 plus 1 by 12 and 17 minus 1 by 12. So we got 17 plus 1 become 18 by 12 and 16 by 12. 4 3s are 12, 2 6 are 12 and 2 9s are 18. And here 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12 and 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So we got x 3 by 2 or 4 by 3. These are the roots of this equation through completing the square method. Now the last question is the sixth one. X minus 1 into x plus 3, 5 into x plus 2 minus 3. We will split and we will multiply this. First x to multiply with both of these, then minus 1 will multiply here with both of the elements of this bracket. So x with x become x square and 3x minus x and plus minus minus 3. 5 according to the distributive law will distribute among these two inhabitants of the round bracket. 5x plus 5 to the 10 minus 3. Simplify as much as possible. Plus 2x because minus 1x plus 3x become left over 2x minus 3. 5x will become minus 5x and 10 minus 3 7 plus 7 will become minus 7 on this side of equation. So we got x square minus 5x plus 2x. So minus 3x is left. Minus 7 and minus. So minus 10 it is equal to. Now the product of no sorry, it's not factorization. So when the condition is to solve the equation by the quadratic equation by the completing the square method, always go and meet the condition. Now first of all check the coefficient of x square, nothing, so it means we have to take the second one step. According to that we have to change our this minus 10 to become 10 to the other side, the constant. Now the coefficient of x is minus 3, this 3. So coefficient of x is 3, its half is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 square must be added to both sides of the equation. Both sides of the equation. And we got this x square minus 3x plus 3 by 2 square here, and on the other side also 3 by 2 square must be added here also. This is the square of 3 by 2 whole square because a square minus 2ab plus b square. And here we can see 3 3 is 9 by 2 2 is 4. We will take LCM here. We will simplify on the right side of this equation first. That is, there is nothing means 1 is there, 4 is the LCM. So 1 4s are 4 10s are 40 and 9. So we will add them up. You can see x minus 3 by 2 whole square, 40 plus 9 become 49 by 4, and bring this also in square form. 7 sevens are 49 and 2 twos are 4. So x minus 3 by 2 whole square is 7 by 2. Their common square is here. Okay, now we will take a square root on both sides of the equation. Square root means power 1 by 2 plus minus 7 by 2. Here also square root, this will cancel off. X minus 3 by 2 equal to plus minus 7 by 2. X equal to minus 3 by 2 will become plus 3 by 2 plus minus 7 by 2, taking its LCM, which is 2. So 3 plus 7 and another will be, or 3 plus minus. So x is equal to 3 plus 7 by 2 and 3 minus 7 by 2. X is equal to 7 plus 3, 10 by 2, and here is minus 4 by 2. Simplify, 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10, 2 ones are and 2 twos are 4. So x value is 5 and minus 2. This is the roots of the second equation. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel.